Hello class 12th. Today I am going to discuss AC circuit containing resistance and capacitance in series. You can see in this diagram a series circuit of resistance and capacitor is connected along with AC source having current I equal to I naught sine omega t. Then the total input voltage is a vector sum of voltage appearing across resistance and capacitor. That is V equal to VR plus VC, V equal to IR and VC Q by C. Since Q equal to IDT, integral IDT, then V equal to IR plus 1 upon C integral IDT. Place the value of I equal to I naught sine omega t in both. Take I naught common. We get V equal to I naught bracket R sine omega t plus 1 upon C integral sine omega t dt. I naught R sine omega t, sine integration has value cos omega t minus omega upon omega, therefore minus 1 upon omega c cos omega t. Let us make a triangle. This triangle is called impedance triangle, having ohmic resistance at its base, reactance at its height, and resultant of R and XC, that is called Z, is along the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. This angle is phi. Then multiplying this equation and dividing the equation by Z, then I naught Z in the bracket you can see I naught Z in the bracket R upon Z sine omega t minus XC upon Z cos omega t. R upon Z is cos phi, XC upon Z is sin phi. Then it becomes I naught Z sin omega t cos phi minus cos omega t sin phi. This is sin A minus B. Then V equal to I naught Z sin omega t minus phi, and we can write I naught Z as a V naught. Then V equal to V naught sin omega t minus phi, where tan phi or phi equal to tan inverse height upon base XC upon R. Then we can conclude that in a AC circuit containing ohmic resistance and capacitor in series, the voltage lags the current by the phase of phi, where tan phi equal to tan inverse XC upon R. We can make the phasor diagram also out of this. Let us see it. This is the phasor diagram. Okay. The current is making angle omega t. This is I naught. In ohmic resistance, current and voltage both are in same phase. Then VR is also along the same line. Along the capacitor, voltage lags the current by the phase of pi by 2. This is 90 degree from I naught. And resultant of VC and VR is passing through this line known as total voltage, which is less than omega t minus phi. Okay. Then hope you have understood it, and please see the video twice and thrice, and then read your book. This will make your concept clear. Okay. Thank you very much.